Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Let's look into some interesting facts.
The lacrimal punctum is a small hole in your eyelids that drains your tears to your nose. That's the reason why you get a runny nose after crying. A man in South Africa adopted a baby hippo after it was rescued from a river. 5 years later, the hippo dragged him into the same river and killed him. South Korea used to have actual fashion police who would go around measuring the mini-skirt length of women. If they were deemed too short, the woman could be fined or arrested. In 2012, an American girl, Nicole Dillon, slept for 64 days due to rare disorder called as Sleeping Beauty syndrome. Brilliant idea by a restaurant in Australia. No cell phones means 10% discount on bill. This is a Japanese honey apple with 100% honey core. Tatiana and Krista Hogan are co-joint twins of the brain and can see through each other's eyes and read each other's mind. The Guinness World Record for longest kiss is 58 hours, 35 minutes and 58 seconds. Japan is going to allow scientists to create human-animal hybrid. Jio logo is a mirror reflection of the word oil. It shows the Reliance's journey from oil and petroleum industry to telecom and communication industry. You can find traces of gold in the hair of newborn children. Some people feel uncomfortable when the TV volume is not divisible by 2. They prefer volume in even numbers. World's first independent floating nation will be launched in Pacific Ocean by 2022. Male sea slugs cut off their own penis after sex and grow back a new one before next mating session. The Chinese water deer don't grow antlers, but instead they grow tusks. Hence these are called vampire deer. Worldwide sale of cocaine earns more than Microsoft, McDonald's and Kellogg's combined. The record for most babies born to one woman is 69. Mrs. Vasilyeva from Russia gave birth to 16 pairs of twins, 7 sets of triplets and 4 sets of quadruplets. There's an international wife-carrying competition in Finland. Winners get their wife's weight in beer. The photo of a mother taken in 1980 and her daughter in 2014. Eating rose leaves improves heart health, reduces inflammation, increases blood circulation and lower blood pressure. This is a black house in Germany. This is Shima Inaga, a Japanese bird who looks like a ball of cotton. This is a species of frog from Africa known as African rain frog, and they look very sad. There is no red light 30 feet underwater, so blood appears green. How babies used to fly in airplanes in 1930s. The average woman eats 2 to 3 kg of lipstick in her life. Attendance method in Malaysia. World is advancing through technology. About 931 million tons of food were wasted globally in 2019, enough to circle the earth 7 times. This frog died attached to the wall, eating a venomous spider. Brahmanandam is the only actor who completed 1,000 films within a span of 28 years. His name has been placed in the Guinness Book of World Record.
We will be back with more interesting facts. Please like, subscribe and share with your friends. Also do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.